Okay, good morning to all. Again, welcome back. The discussion in the last class we discussed about the detection of computer virus. What are the symptoms? What are the symptoms generated by your computer system? That when the computer is infected by your virus, right? So next is your prevention of virus. These are the detection of virus. So how to prevent your virus? Because there is a common thing is known that virus is first, then the antivirus. Clear now? So prevention is better than cure, because after the developing of the virus, antiviruses are developed. So don't open email attachment or click on hyperlinks from unknown senders. That is the first prevention. Don't open email attachments on or click on hyperlinks from unknown senders. Next is use your spam blocking or filtering tools to block unsolicited emails, instant messages and pop-ups. Use passwords that are hard to guess and change them regularly. Do not store usernames as password on websites. Exercise caution when downloading files from the internet. Only download from trusted source. So these are the prevention. How to prevent your computer from the virus? First thing is do not open your mail attachment or click on hyperlink from unknown senders. First thing. Use the spam blocking or filtering tools to block unsolicited email, instant messages and pop-ups. Password. Put your password in such a way that is very hard to guess. Exercise caution when downloading files from the internet. Only download from trusted source. Next is your antivirus. Antivirus softwares or antivirus software, also known as the anti-malware. It is a computer program used to prevent, detect and remove malware. So antivirus is also a software which is used to detect the antivirus, kill the antivirus, right now. So detect the virus, kill the virus or repair the virus. So these are the performance. These are the steps through which antivirus is working. First, detection. Next is your either repair the virus or kill the virus. So this is antivirus program, and it is better to load any licensed version antivirus software in your computer system. So antivirus software is originally developed to detect and remove computer virus, hence the name. So example antivirus softwares are McAfee, Norton and Kaspersky. So that is the antivirus softwares are used in your computer systems. Next, come to the application of the computer, in which fields your computer is be used. As the business, a computer has high speed of calculation, diligence, accuracy, reliability or versatility, which has made it an integrated part in all business organization. So business, this is the first application where you can use the computer system. Next is your financial sector, like banking. Banking is almost totally dependent on computers. Banks provide the following facilities: online accounting facility, which includes checking current balance, making deposits and overdrafts, checking interest charges, shares and trustee records, ATM machines. Next is insurance. Insurance companies are keeping all records up to date with the help of computers. Insurance companies, finance house and stock broking firms are widely using the computers for their concerns. Next is your healthcare. Computers have become an important part in hospital, labs and dispensaries. They are being used in hospitals to keep the record of patients and medicines. And it is also used in scanning and diagnostics different diseases, ECG, EEG, ultrasound, CT scan. So these are all the application within the hospital or medical, that is in the healthcare system. Next is your application of computer for education. in the education, the computer helps in providing a lot of facilities in the education system. The computer provides a tool in the education system known as CBE, computer-based education. Like in the corona situation, we all are connecting with a online system. That means in this online education, in the online system, computer is the main component to execute this system smoothly. So that is known as the in such a type education is used as or in the computer system, education is used as application. Marketing is advertising. Home shopping, it is the marketing. Engineering design, computers are widely used for engineering purpose. One of the major areas is CAD, that provides creation and modification of image. Next, the defense system, military. Computers are largely used in defense. Modern tank, missiles, weapons, etc. are used in the military defense system. In the communication is a way to convey message, an idea, a picture or speech that is received and understood clearly and correctly by the person for whom it is meant. So, communication system is also used. Next is your government system. Government computers play an important role in government services. So, these are the field where the computers are used. These are the few number of fields. Nowadays, every field has some computers to execute the system. So these are some examples, or there's some area where we are trying to focus on these areas. The computers are generally used, right? So a part of this, now there is another terms for this computer software chapter number 2, like your single user operating system, multi-user operating system. A single user operating system is that operating system through which only one person can work at a time. Any one person can work at a time. This is the single user system. But the multi-user system, more than one user can work at a time, like client server architecture. In the banking ATM system, there is a single server which maintains all the ATM system are deployed in the different areas. That means that is known as the multi-user. At a time, number of the users provide the request to that server. Right now, so that is the multi-user operating systems. Clear? And multitasking is another system. What is the multitasking? Number of the jobs enter into the computer system, and all the jobs are executing smoothly. Multitasking. Example, suppose you open Excel in your computer system, open the Microsoft Word in your system, and downloading any text or picture or song from that any remote area. Everything is going on, every process, and this process, all the time period of the processor is time period of the processor equally distributed to the different jobs. That is the multitasking system, multitasking operating system. Next is what is the difference between GUI operating system and CUI operating system? GUI is the graphical user interface operating system. Example, all the Windows operating system, Windows 7, Windows 10, all the operating systems of Windows is a GUI based operating system. That means there is small icons are present on your screen, and it is in the graphical mode. So it is a user friendly operating systems. Alright. So but in case of the command line interface, CLI, or the command line interface, in this type of operating system you should remember all the commands, because this operating system depend upon only the command base. You should remember all the commands before operating your before start your operation in that operating system. Like DOS operating system is a command based operating system. Unix is partially graphical based and partially your command based, and Windows is purely your graphical based GUI, graphical user interface, so through which you can get the data. So these are the important terms also discussed in the chapter 2. So this is all about your chapter 2. So next class onwards we are going to discuss about chapter number 3. Okay, so thank you to all.